Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the language in Roblox desktop app. So let's get started. First thing, just open Roblox and come into the home interface. To the left here we will be having the more option. Click it and here we are having settings. Select that, and in settings the first option is going to be account info. Click it, and here we are having a option called as language. Select this drop down, and here we are having these many languages to choose from. Just select the language of your choice, and now automatically the language will be getting changed. So as you can see here, it is not in English anymore. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.